cough is a natural body reflex which keeps the lungs, throat and airway clear of foreign material. However, constant coughing can prove uncomfortable for a child and can make him irritable. Wet cough is known so due to the presence of phlegm in cough. Phlegm is the greenish sticky liquid which comes out along with such cough. The affected child experiences pain in throat and chest congestion. Take half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, also known as kali mirch. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed sugar candy. Add 1 teaspoon of licorice powder. Mix it well. Give 1/3 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day to the child. Take a cup of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Mix it well. Drink this in 3 equal doses during the day.